Hey, this is Jamaica at LaGrange Toyota. I want to show you this 2010 Chevy Avalanche in white. You got your alloy wheels, good tread on the tires, LTZ model, bed cover, storage on both sides, so it's locked. Got tow hitch, flex fuel, back parking sensors. Really nice Avalanche. Right to the inside. Sunroof. It's just protecting it on the leather in great condition. Navigation. $195,000 miles. Storage. Remote for the DVD player that's in the back. Sunroof. No rips or tears in the seats. Back seat. You got WeatherTech mats throughout. You got a real DVD player. If you would like to come in and schedule a test drive on this 2010 Chevy Avalanche LTZ model, you can reach me at 404-863-4231. The number again is 404-863-4231. And my name is Jamaica at LaGrange Toyota. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.